Your CEO this morning in his keynote talked about bringing value forward. And I think, as you're saying here, is one of the key areas where that applies in quantum. And how do you see quantum fitting in within a wider system?
So a quantum computer, it should never be used on its own. So we saw Carmen talking about this morning in the panel. It's all about using it in the wider system and finding the right use cases for the particular piece of quantum technology. So quantum computing fundamentally has many challenges attached to it. And there are things where a classical computer excels that a quantum computer does very badly. So just adding plain numbers together is something you should never get a quantum computer to do. You should go and ask a classical computer to do it instead. But for the places that quantum computing is useful, it is completely different to classical computing. It brings us a completely different capability to what we think of classically. It makes things that we currently think of as impossible, possible with a quantum computer. So it's all about understanding how to use the different computations together, how to make it to work as a whole. And that's going to take a lot of time and effort. And so we really need to get into it now to really bring that value and really see how we do it, and to make sure we're not going to do silly things. So at first glance, when we do the first sort of things, we will discover that actually the quantum computer makes something possible, but it makes another task hard classically. And so we have to work through those challenges to say, how do we use it all together? How do we push the hardware to its limit, using the classical for what it's good at and the quantum for what it's good at?